Today, we're exploring the hidden journey of a simple pill. So, how is it actually made?
Well, it's a super precise journey, all about safety and making sure it works. Let's dive in.
So you've got two main things, the active ingredient and what are called excipients. Think of them as helpers.
This is the heavy lifter, the part of the pill that actually does the job for your health.
Okay, so here's the roadmap of the whole process. First up, blending.
So the active ingredient and all those helpers get tossed into special blenders to get mixed up.
The whole point is to spread that active ingredient evenly, so every pill has the exact same dose.
Next up, that fine powder gets turned into larger bits. This step is called granulation.
Now, there are two main ways to do this. You can use liquid or just pressure for sensitive ingredients. After that, you've got to get the moisture level just right, so the granules get carefully dried.
And now for the fun part. High-pressure machines press those granules into the classic tablet shape.
You know, this one step is a huge deal. It decides the pill's size, hardness, even how it dissolves.
So, a lot of tablets get a final coating. But, why bother?
Well, it's for a bunch of reasons. It can make it look better, hide a bad taste, or control the release.
Sometimes they add final touches. Polishing smooths it out, and branding adds the name or dose right on it.
Okay, but before anything gets packaged, every single batch has to pass some really tough quality checks.
These tests make sure the pill is safe, that it'll work, and that it meets every single standard.
Once they get the green light, they're packaged up in blisters or bottles and then shipped out.
And this really says it all. The quality has to be perfect because patient safety is on the line.
So why go through all this trouble? Why does every single detailed step matter so much?
It's all to make sure the medicine you take is absolutely safe and effective. Every single time.